How to download and install Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, you must open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Bumble. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Here, tap on install. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is a dating app. Here you can find different partners. So here you must set up your profile and you can easily find other people in order to date and chat. So the app is installed. Now you can start dating. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.